It was extremely frustrating dealing with the brick and mortar and traditional banks because we felt like year after year we were showing what I thought were great financials, and it just was not leading to the kind of credit facilities that we needed to operate the firm.
The moment I realized that we needed to make a switch from traditional banking was when we wanted to increase our line of credit to fund cases. And they basically wanted our firstborn child in order to do it. My name is Alan Tittle, founder of Tittle Perlmuter. I started this firm in 2015 from my kitchen table, and it has now grown to where we have multiple offices all throughout the state of Ohio, but with a special focus here in Cleveland and here in Northeast Ohio.
My name is Scott Perlmuter. I'm an attorney here at Tittle Perlmuter. The types of people that we're representing are either catastrophically injured or they've had wages or employee benefits stolen from them, and they're in a horrible situation in their lives.
Prior to Esquire Bank, a lot of times we were just self-funding our cases. Business-wise, I learned real quick that that's not the best way to run a law firm. When we were working with a traditional bank, they just didn't quite understand that this case inventory meant dollars down the road. And they also didn't understand why so many dollars were going out the door to fund these cases. Fortunately, we have a partner who actually understands the process, who understands how contingent fee law firms make it every day and how we can be successful. Traditional banks just don't quite get it. They don't understand that contingent fee law firms, oftentimes, their profit and their revenue is like a roller coaster, but it all evens out in the end. Esquire Bank gets it.
The thing that put us over the top and made us make the decision to switch to Esquire Bank was we had made too many efforts with traditional banks to increase lines of credit. With Esquire Bank, we were able to access much more credit than we ever were with a traditional bank. We recognized that having lines of credit in order to fund our clients' cases or fund our most catastrophic cases was really critical to growth. It's been night and day for us, the change in terms of our ability to fight those cases because of our relationship with Esquire Bank.
We use Esquire for everyday banking, so our checking account, our IOLTA, our trust accounting, for their line of credit to help us fund cases. And then we also use their money market. So one advantage that you get is a service called Positive Pay. In today's world, fraud is rampant. The minute that a check is cashed and my signature doesn't match perfectly with the signature card, I get an email to make sure that that isn't fraud. Esquire Bank is a true partner to help you run your business.
Because of the customer service, because of the ability to access credit, because of the ease of using their electronic platforms, every aspect of the bank is just so much easier. It saves so much of my time in terms of operating a firm as compared to the traditional banks that we used before. Their customer service is second to none.
When Esquire decided to become a major partner with the Ohio Association for Justice, it meant that Esquire Bank was willing to put their money where their mouth is, not just with individual law firms, but with the trial bar as a whole. We have a true partner in Esquire Bank, and I couldn't appreciate it more.